After 3 iterations, the Ford SuperVan has lost its combustion engine as the latest bonkers van from the Blue Oval is purely electric. Packing no fewer than 4 motors, the one-off contraption has nearly 2,000 horsepower to achieve a 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, run in less than 2 seconds. It was developed in secret by Ford Performance with help from racing specialist Stard, while the design was penned by the Automaker's talented team in Cologne. Feeding those 4 electric motors is a liquid-cooled battery with a capacity of 50 kilowatt-hours, which is smaller than the 68 kilowatt-hour pack of the E-Transit Custom upon which the unique build is based. It's mounted midship, where the ICEs used to be in the previous 3 SuperVans. Doing so enables optimal weight distribution and a lower center of gravity. Using a fast charger, the battery's juice can be replenished in only 45 minutes. Based on the recently unveiled E-Transit Custom, the SuperVan 4 has a much more aggressive body than the donor vehicle. It has received a comprehensive aero package with a prominent front splitter, muscular side skirts, and a massive rear diffuser. It even has a roof-mounted wing at the back where the unique build uses fully darkened taillights. Underneath the aggressive body is a reworked suspension with a double wishbone setup at both front and rear axles. Not only that, but the latest Ford SuperVan even has motorsport-grade front and rear subframes and new brakes borrowed from race cars. Inside, it gets bucket seats and a full roll cage, along with Ford's latest S1C4 infotainment system with a large display. Speaking of which, the portrait-oriented touchscreen provides access to the 5 selectable driving modes: road, track, drag, drift, and rally. Interestingly, there's even a humorously called tire cleaning mode. Upon activation, it basically acts like a burnout mode by fully braking one axle while spinning the other. Ford says it's been added to warm up the tires, but we all know what purpose it serves. Unveiled today at the 2022 Goodwood Festival of Speed, the Ford SuperVan 4 will be going up the hill with Romain Dumas behind the wheel.
So, did you like this video? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content like this, and above all, leave us your comments and theories below. See you in the next video.